Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be discussing Spendee Premium and answering the question, is it worth paying for? If you're looking for a budgeting app that can help you stay on top of your finances, this review is for you. Spendee is a modern money management app that makes it easy to track your income, expenses, savings, and overall spending habits. The app has a clean, colorful interface that's simple to navigate, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced budgeters. With the free version, you can track your daily transactions, create budgets, and view basic spending insights. However, Spendee Premium unlocks several powerful features, including unlimited wallets, shared wallets for families or couples, bank account synchronization in supported regions, recurring transactions, advanced budgeting tools, and more detailed financial reports. These extra features make managing your money much more convenient, especially if you have multiple accounts or want to collaborate with someone on a shared budget. So, is Spendee Premium worth paying for? If you only need a basic expense tracker, the free version will likely meet your needs. But if you're serious about budgeting, want automatic bank syncing, detailed financial insights, and the ability to manage multiple wallets, then Premium is definitely worth considering. Overall, Spendee is one of the best budgeting apps available, offering an excellent balance of ease of use and powerful features. If this review helped you decide whether Spendee Premium is right for you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more budgeting app reviews and money-saving tips, and I'll see you in the next video.